Hello children, today we are going to make a super easy lemon squeezy puppet. It's a stick puppet with a twist. So let's see how we make it. Any box or any cardboard. It could be a simple Chocos box, some Fevicol, sketch pens, pencil, scale, a stick, a tape. It could be a paper tape or a transparent tape, a scissor, glue stick, some sticks or some skewers, a punch, and some strips of cloth. Open up this box first, and on this box we are going to draw a circle and a triangle. And I'm going to make a circle for the head. Now you can use a glass or a cup or something like this and make a circle, right? And I'm going to make a triangle. Now I need a ruler for that. And I am going to measure around, say, 10 centimeters. Then I'm going to divide 10 centimeters into half, that is 5 centimeters, and make a small marking and make a straight line up to. Then I'm going to join these two ends to make my triangle look perfect. And then it's time to snip, snip, snip. We have a piece of a triangle and a circle with us. Okay, it's time to move on to the origami paper. Now I had already showed you a puppet which was a boy. That's why I had placed the puppet in this way. Now I'm making a girl, so I'm placing the triangle the other side. Alright, let's start with the origami paper. Okay. Stick this circle. That's the face of my puppet. This is what I get. Now I've taken an orange dress here. Now it's time to start pasting my puppet on a skewer. So I take the skewer and I place my circle, leaving a little of the stick on the top and placing the pointed part on top, like this, and I paste it with a paper tape, or I stick it with a paper tape. You can also use a transparent cello tape. Once I'm done with this, the basic structure of my puppet is ready, right? Okay, so let's move on to the face and the dress. Let's start with the face. You can use a black sketch pen and you can make her hair, or you can also take some wool and place the wool here to give her some hair. For now I'm just drawing the hair. smiley mouth. Now I'm going to color her mouth pink. Alright. Once I'm done with this, next I walk with her dress. Now you can either make some designs for the dress or you can use different origami paper. Now I have a gift wrapping paper here, a very interesting one, which I'm going to use to make some beautiful borders on the dress. Use your own imagination here, children, and you can decorate your pocket the way you want. So you can make a small border here. Other than that, you can use some other colors like blue or red and make some designs on it. Maybe I can make two pockets. Some buttons. The next we do is twist, and that is we make her hands. You can take any cloth. It can be a piece of your mama's old kurta or any old t-shirt of yours. Just take a thin piece of cloth. Okay, it should be maybe as long as the ruler. This would be enough, or it could be a little more longer. Then what we do is we take this cloth and we tie this cloth from behind. A single knot would be enough. This much. Alright? Yes. So these are two hands. Once we are done with this, the next we need to do is we need to make two hands for it. And we draw out two hands. Like this. And then turn the paper and then cut it like this. So the next thing you need to do is cover them with origami paper. Now I've chosen pink and I have covered it like this. Punch a hole in the middle of the hand. Yes. Now if you look at our hands, our thumbs are pointed upwards. So this is how our hand is going to be. One thumb here and the other thumb here. Alright? Now we put in this big cloth inside this hole and we make a small knot so that it doesn't come out. Put inside the hole and tie it. If you see, our hands are ready. Now what we need is a skewer to give her hands some motion. Let's take a small piece of a stick. We tape it up. A small piece of tape. And that's all. Our puppet is ready to go. Hello. My name is Meera.